Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Ngayong araw ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng loan agreement. Ano nga ba ang loan agreement? Isa itong kasunduan between a lender and a borrower. Ang nakasaad dito, yung outline ng terms and conditions of loan. Ang document na ito ay crucial for both parties involved. Kasi makikita dito yung rights and obligation of each party, reducing the risk of misunderstanding or dispute. Ito naman yung parts ng loan agreement. Number 1 is the loan details. Dito makikita kung magkano yung nautang mo, hanggang kailan mo babayaran at kung may interest na ipapatong dito. Next naman is yung loan terms. Example, kung yung utang mo babayaran mo within 1 year, so paano ka ba magbabayad? Monthly ba? Quarterly? Semi-annually? O isang buo mo na yung babayaran after 1 year? Next is the loan security. Minsan may mga utang na kailangan ng collateral para meron namang insurance yung lender na babayaran mo talaga yung utang mo. Example, kailangan mong i-collateral yung relo mo para pautangin ka ng 10,000 or kaya yung sa mga bangko, kailangan mo munang i-collateral yung title hanggang mabayaran mo ng buo yung pinagkakautang mo. Next is yung default provisions. Ito yung conditions na pwedeng mangyari sa borrower if nag-default siya or na-late siya ng payment. Pwedeng, kunwari dun sa relo na kinolateral mo, kung hindi ka nakabayad within the loan agreement term, mapapasa kanya na yung relo. Next part is the governing law. Syempre, dahil nasa Pilipinas tayo, ang susundin natin yung Philippine law. And lastly, yung entire agreement and amendment. Dun sa last part, makikita dito na bago mo i-sign, ito na yung final deal. If may gusto kayong palitan or changes, kailangan din itong in writing. So, ito po yung example ng isang loan agreement. Makikita nyo po dito yung name, address, and contact number ng lender, name, address, and contact number ng borrower, and then yung loan details, which is yung loan amount, loan term, and interest rates. Tapos, sa baba naman ng loan term, makikita nyo dito yung purpose ng loan, yung loan disbursement, kung paano makukuha ng borrower yung loan, yung repayment schedule, kung paano babayaran ng borrower sa lender yung niloan niya, yung interest payment, and prepayment. Next part is yung loan security. Dito nyo makikita kung may collateral ba and yung details ng collateral. Next is yung default provisions. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na in case na hindi magbayad yung borrower, yung collateral pwedeng angkinin ng lender. Next is yung governing law, which is the Philippine law. And lastly is the entire agreement, kung final and executory na ba, or if may amendments ilalagay din dito. Tapos sa dulo ilalagay yung signature ng lender and borrower with the date. And lastly, para maging legal itong document na to, kailangan itong ipanotary. At dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo at nasagot namin ang inyong mga katanungan. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Maraming salamat po!